Here we come to the elevators at the visitors garage at the U of A Banner campus in Tucson, Arizona. These are Westinghouse's traction.
No, these are hydros.
Oh, cool. I thought these were traction like the other garages, but these are hydro. These are really nice. Older chime.
Not the bell, but
Yeah. Older. Yep, and this is old. This is definitely older. Not ADA phone. Phone door is missing. Let's listen to the motor. This is late 80s, early 90s, late 80s.
Record does not work.
Yep, these are probably late 80s. Here we go. Just takes right off.
Relay logic.
Yep.
Oh.
6 sounding chime. We've got any pre-door. Nope. Right. This is. You can see down the shaft a little bit. See up the shaft. Do the door operator. Let's go down to the. Let's go down to 1. And the door close button does work. Fire service instructions. Capacity 2,500 pounds. Cab view. A little bit of a floor passing chime. And we're going to hear the bell ring in just a second.
Light burns out.
Yep. No wonder the chime sounds sick. Here's, you can actually see up now a little bit better. You can see the door operator. Electronic door sensor. And, this was the door was replaced in 14. Anyways, that's it.